Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Another Thursday night game is on, so I'm trading and watching the game. Y'all know how exciting that is. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. But on a trade on AUD, JPY, the Aussie Yen, also in Euro Yen for both on sales. I got three positions in both. 32.50 on one and 35.75 on the other. But different, guys. This is different. This is different. Uh, Just kind of gave just kind of trying some things out, trying something new. This is actually new. Trying something new. As you can see, I'm in a trade for 81.40 for 11 p.m. So I still got an hour left. So I've been in this trade probably like maybe an hour and 30 minutes, somewhere in that so far. Well, not well, about 30 minutes so far. I still got an hour left on the trade. Um, got in this trade 81.40. Really, the price was around about 81.36 when I entered that price. And right now it's at 81.11. It fell. Euro JPY followed suit. It got close to 128.57. And as when it did, I did a sell order. Right now I'm down quite a few pips right now. In profit on both trades so far. So things are going pretty well. With these are new strategies. These are new strategies. Both of these are different strategies. They're both different strategies. The same. I'm still using the same forex knowledge. Nothing's changed really, but I'm using the same forex knowledge that I've been doing for years. You go through the videos. I've plenty of chart time, so things are going pretty well on these trades. I come back to this trade in a minute and see if these trades are still remaining in the green.